G'day guys, welcome back to the Iron Empire. This is a new and hopefully regular segment called
Just the tip?
Just the Tip. Now on today's tip, in this case, I've got a flat battery, I've got a good battery but no jump leads or jump pack. The leads on my car will not reach the battery terminals. The polarity is incorrect. So this is my solution to that. Now this is not recommended, but it does work. And I strongly suggest test that your battery doesn't leak before you pour it all over your car. Get it. This battery leaks. Voila. See you next week for
Just the tip.